Hey there, beautiful people. Today, we have a fantastic guide for you on how to create stunning and quick hairstyles. We'll be focusing on easy braid hairstyles for daily use, and I'll even show you how to achieve a beautiful bun with a clutcher. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have an effortless yet elegant side braid hairstyle. Here's what you need to do. Start by parting your hair on one side, divide it into two sections, and create a lovely waterfall braid. To keep it in place and add some flair, use a clutcher at the back of your head. Trust me, this hairstyle is so easy that even beginners can nail it. Next, let's try a beautiful bun using a clutcher. Here's how you can pull it off. Gather your hair into a ponytail at the back of your head, wrap it around the base, and voila, you've got yourself a stunning bun. To add even more elegance, simply push the hair from your forehead into the braid using the clutcher. This simple trick will give your hair more volume and make your bun stand out.